Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and although I've talked a lot about backing up your data in the past, I'd like to specifically cover in this video backing up the pictures and video that are going to be on the SD card of your digital camera. The SD card in your digital camera, in most cases, is going to look like this. It'll have a different number on there, but that'll be the general shape of it. And if you open up either the battery compartment or the special SD card compartment of your camera, you'll find this card. And all you have to do is turn the camera off and remove the card. And on a lot of computers these days, you're going to find a slot on the front of your computer where you can plug this in. It'll be about the same width as that card. Now, when you plug the card into your computer, it's going to do, the first time you do it, it's going to do this. And I usually ignore this section right here. And I generally just go to this PC. I double click on this PC. This PC is where all of your drives are located, and you can see them all laid out under devices and drives. And you can see right here, it says removable disk E, and all I got to do is double click on it. Now I'm going to see a bunch of different folders here, and you're just going to poke around in these folders until you find the one that has your pictures. Usually it's the one that says DCIM, and then there might be a few folders in there. You poke around in there, and oh, there they are. And those are my pictures. And then all you have to do from there is take one picture, or if you want to take all the pictures, you just hold down the control key on your keyboard. It's in the lower left hand corner, and then hold down the A key and it will select all of the icons. And then if you want to not move one of the icons, you hold down the control key and tap the one you don't want to move. And as you can see now, only the pictures of the little Space Marine guys are highlighted. So now what I want to do is go here to the desktop. All I got to do is right click anywhere on the desktop, not on one of these icons, but on the desktop where there's nothing. And then all I got to do is put my cursor over the word new, and then put my cursor over the word folder and tap the left mouse button. And then I can name that whatever I want. And then all I got to do is put my cursor over one of these highlighted icons, clamp down on the left mouse button, move the mouse over until it says, it says copy to desktop, and when I move it over this folder it says copy to pics because that's the name of the folder, and then all I got to do is let go. And then it'll automatically move everything that I have selected over to the pics folder. It won't remove it from the SD card, it'll still be on the card. You can then right click on that and select delete to remove it. But it will copy it over to the target folder on your computer, and then you can upload it to whatever website you want. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful and informative, and if so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody is in the Memphis, Germantown, Collierville, Midtown, Millington, or downtown area and you need in-home computer repair support, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.